Derge Printing House is located in Derge County of Kharkit, Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture, Sichuan Province on the eastern edge of the Qinghai Tibet Plateau. It was built in 1729 by Chokyi Tenpa Tsering. The 12th Derge king and successive Derge kings had a large number of texts and works block printed. At present, the Derge Printing House has the largest collection of printing blocks for Tibetan texts concerning the most diverse branches of learning. Well preserved and unique worldwide, they are of great significance for enriching world cultural heritage and expanding cultural exchanges around the world. These block printed texts are famous worldwide for the neat carvings of the blocks, their use of a standard font, their natural and poised layout, as well as fine collation. The printing blocks can be divided into two categories, text blocks and image blocks. Text blocks are divided into 6 categories: Tengyur, compendiums, collected works, comprehensive categories, and separate editions of the Tripitaka. The total number of printing blocks housed in the printing house is 325,552. Among these, 228,814 are ancient printing blocks. Image blocks consist of thousands of thangkas, mandalas, illustrations for the beginning pages of major texts, and thousands of images needed for initiations, etc. There are illustrations on both the left and right sides of the beginning pages of major texts.